Hello everyone, we are in Dole village, which is 35 kilometers from Shillong, and this village is adjacent to the Nongtrao village, which we were yesterday. And coming here, we did a community workshop where we taught the midday meal cooks how to cook food. It's more friendly towards kids, and also we incorporated eggs, we incorporated pork, chicken, and also uh, whatever available resources are here. I found out that they use a lot of banana stems in their cooking, so we incorporated a lot of banana stems into the cooking today, and we had a nice time. The kids were enjoying the food, and hopefully they come up with a lot of new dishes for the midday meal programs, and also to eat healthy and to live healthy.
Kajing song jong am takasngi kalong kasngi waya jing mentoy sibun yangi mapila pen I gumno garo komiset yaki neki jur kanegi jing mam tan rajongi pi ajing mentoy sibun haka rukom banset nani ban kam haka mid demil
Teng yo cuma toy sibun na mata cuma tak sengihi ba nila ban pentrai kam nang nes khmat ba ga e ka cing mentoy ba bat ki e cing don kam hane pos no cumi kum ki chur ki jep ba kum ka culong bar ka tang empat la ban pentrai kam naduk mata sengihi terter ngila ban trikam mi kini ki chur ki ba ngidon hane po sla cung ka mairam ok cungi ba kum ki chur ki jep ki ba bun chaj ba balong kum ki bat balong kum ki ba taido tisna mengi nakaliang tu ki khna skuru ngai ba kini sim ya kane ka kabu ko ba nga ko monong set ko ba ni haban set tang kini kiti ni nai khulei sibun